The future of healthcare is here, and it's an exciting yet controversial journey. We're talking about the gene editing and mRNA toolkits market, a rapidly growing sector that's transforming the way we approach medicine and research. This market is a game changer, but it's also a complex and evolving landscape. So let's dive in and explore the key insights, the drivers, and the potential impact of this revolutionary technology. Market overview. The gene editing and mRNA toolkits market is a dynamic force within the biotechnology sector. It's all about precision and innovation. Gene editing aims to make precise, targeted changes to an organism's DNA, while mRNA toolkits offer a temporary solution to alter biological processes by instructing cells to express specific proteins. Together, these technologies are revolutionizing drug discovery, precision medicine, and various other fields. The AI factor. But here's where it gets controversial. The integration of artificial intelligence AI is a game changer. AI enhances the accuracy and efficiency of genetic tool design, predicts off-target effects, and provides effective therapeutic delivery platforms. In drug discovery, AI accelerates processes through target identification and validation. In mRNA therapeutics, AI develops stable and effective molecules for vaccines and treatments. The role of AI in gene editing and mRNA toolkits is pivotal, driving innovation and adoption. Market dynamics. The rapid expansion of this market is fueled by scientific innovation, increased investment in biotechnology, and the growing need for personalized treatment. The recent surge in gene and cell therapy product pipelines, especially in cancer, rare diseases, and infectious diseases, has created a demand for high-performance editing and delivery technologies. Governments, scientific institutions, and drug companies are investing heavily, accelerating innovation and commercialization. Key drivers: precision medicine. The demand for personalized drugs to treat genetic disorders is skyrocketing, driving the need for innovative toolkits. Researchers and clinicians are embracing gene editing and mRNA technologies to develop patient-specific, safe, and effective therapeutics. Drug discovery. Pharma and biotech companies are utilizing these tools to accelerate their drug discovery and development pipelines. These kits enable specific target authentication, pathway investigation, and medication testing, reducing timelines and costs. Research development. Genetic research is actively supported by governments, academic institutions, and investors, leading to the adoption of advanced toolkits. This investment boosts genome editing platform innovation, mRNA advancements, and cell-related studies. Market scope. The market is dominated by North America, with Asia-Pacific expected to witness the fastest growth. The technology segment is led by gene editing, with the mRNA tools segment showing considerable growth. The application segment is dominated by cell and gene therapy research, while the drug discovery and development segment is anticipated to grow significantly. Technology insights. The gene editing segment led the market in 2024. With CRISPR-Cas systems being the star player, its accuracy, affordability, and simplicity have accelerated its adoption over historical methods. The ability to target and modify any genome sequence has made it invaluable in various fields. The mRNA synthesis kits subsegment dominated the mRNA tools market, driven by the need for high-quality, customizable mRNA constructs. Application insights. The cell and gene therapy research segment held the largest share in 2024, driven by the deployment of advanced molecular technologies for new advanced therapies. Scientists are using CRISPR-based technologies and mRNA kits to create innovative treatment approaches. The drug discovery and development segment is expected to grow significantly as gene editing and mRNA technology fast-track and simplify R&D processes. End-user insights. The biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies segment dominated the market in 2024, relying heavily on modern molecular technologies for new drug development and efficient production. These companies are investing in CRISPR-based technologies, mRNA synthesis reagents, and delivery reagents to expand gene therapies, mRNA vaccines, and personalized medications. The clinical laboratory segment is expected to grow substantially, as gene editing and mRNA-based techniques are increasingly used in diagnosis. Region insights. North America leads the market with a well-developed ecosystem of biotechnology and pharmaceutical businesses. The US and Canada are innovation hubs, home to leading biotech clusters. Asia Pacific is expected to grow rapidly, driven by increased research and development investments, government support for biotechnology research, and a growing demand for precision medicine and advanced therapy treatment. Value chain analysis. The R&D phase focuses on enhancing delivery methods, editing efficiency, and the safety of mRNA-based gene editing toolkits. Clinical trials confirm safety and efficacy, with regulatory bodies evaluating test results to determine the availability of new treatments. Distribution networks rely on complex cold chain processes to ensure product stability, often requiring specialty pharmacies or direct hospital delivery. Recent developments. BioNTech introduced mRNA encoding of CRISPR-Cas9 in June 2025, offering optimized mRNA products for genome editing. GenScript added a GMP-like manufacturing service in March 2025 to enhance mRNA synthesis and formulation capabilities. Aurora Biosynthetics made its debut in September 2024 as a groundbreaking RNA therapeutics manufacturing plant in the APAC region. Segments covered: offering mRNA tech, information system, gene editing tools, CRISPR-Cas systems, TALENs, zinc finger nucleases, ZFNs, megatals, and more. Application: drug discovery development, cell gene therapy research, clinical diagnostics, agricultural biotechnology, synthetic biology, and others. End user: academic research institutes, biotechnology pharmaceutical companies, contract research organizations, CROs, clinical laboratories, and others. Region: North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, South America, and Middle East Africa. This market is a testament to the power of scientific innovation and its potential to revolutionize healthcare. As we continue to explore and develop these technologies, the future of medicine looks brighter and more personalized than ever before. But what do you think? Is this market a game changer or a controversial step towards an uncertain future? Share your thoughts in the comments.